This is FRUITEAM 2-person sleeping pad. I just opened the package, and this here is the sleeping pad self-inflating menu, and it got the colored pictures, very clear, and it comes with a repair kit. Just make sure you take this one. It's going to be very useful. All right, let's open the sleeping pad. Okay, this is the bag for the sleeping pad. And after opening it up, there are two valves. You hear the sound. And they got another one here. Open this one. It's like it's still sucking the air in. I think I just need to wait until it's fully inflated. And now there's no hissing sound, but if you push, yeah, you can hear still the sound. It's inflating pretty fast. I think about 5 to 8 minutes, and the air just don't stop flow. And it says need to just shut off the air, and this side as well. Okay, now let me try this one. It's actually pretty good. You can push it down and bounce it up. So let me see. Yeah, I got a little bit pillow. I think it's pretty good. It's pretty comfortable, and think that it can block some heat. You know, if you're using some air mattress, the thing is that air mattress, it won't keep you warm. But for this one, so inside there's some kind of insulation that you can get a little bit warm. I think I'll take this one to go for camping to see how it holds up, and then I'll probably make another review. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.